What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and guess what? The Project F450 has hit the finish line. That is right. And as you can see, it is starting to snow out here. We are about to get a nice little snowstorm here in Jersey, but as I have said to you guys, no matter what, I will be making videos for you guys, whether the weather is shit or not. Now, I want to give you guys a little breakdown as to what we did as the overall picture for this build. We did paint to match at Gino's Auto Body, and they absolutely did a stellar job with everything that we asked them to. We have a 4-inch Wicked lift kit, to be exact, with front and rear Fox shocks. Moving over to performance, we did an S&B cold air intake along with an MBRP exhaust with a TSO exhaust tip. Moving on from performance, we did a little bit of auxiliary lighting, from the valance lights up front to the Ford emblem to lights going behind little vents. I think they just perfectly tie everything in together. To finish it off, we have to talk about the wheel and tire package. What we did was some American Force wheels with some Nitto Recon Grappler 37-inch tires, and man, I'm stoked on this build. I want to know from you guys down below in the comments what you guys think about this build, or say it was your build. How would you have done it? But guys, there isn't anything else to talk about. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little series that we did, taking you on the journey of our Project F450. So as always, like the video, maybe leave a comment down below what you want to see on the channel. And as always, subscribe and join the KHC family.